Hundreds flooded Bartlam Park in Cheshire to spur legislators to enact a tougher three-strikes law for repeat offenders of serious crimes in Connecticut. At the time of the rally, 39,000 people had signed an online petition for this type of legislation.
Good evening and welcome, and thank you everyone for coming. We hope you leave here feeling empowered to call your legislatures, to sign the petition, to do something to keep us safe in our own homes at night while we sleep.
I think it can do a lot for the state of Connecticut. Obviously, people are motivated to see that our state officials are doing everything possible to make certain that we are safe. And we've got some indication. I think the public is agitated a little bit on a number of different fundamental issues. I mean, we know that crime is rampant, so to speak, in our streets, and we, to some degree, tolerate it. But I think people are saying, look, we want to draw the line at our front doors. We want our sanctuaries, our homes, to be safe. We've proposed a Home Invasion Act that really provides for some very severe punishment for engaging in that criminal misconduct.
If you have not already heard, the co-chairs of the Judiciary Committee have scheduled the first public hearing for September 11th at 1 p.m. in the LOB. That's the Legislative Office Building, at which time we anticipate to have briefings from the state criminal justice officials about our sentencing and re-entry process, especially for repeat offenders.
Certainly one thing to be considered is adding breaking and entering in an occupied home to our existing persistent offender laws, better known as 3 strikes and you're out. Everyone must also understand that if it enacted, changes such as longer prison sentences and more electronic monitoring will come at a big price tag. But as an aside for myself, how do you put a price on a life?
And most importantly, to pass a strong 3 strikes policy for Connecticut with a mandatory sentencing that will keep career criminals in jail and out of our neighborhood. We're not going to settle for Judiciary Committee to review a problem and then claim they need further studies. We don't need any more reports. We don't need any more committees. We need action.